International A1 level special equipment manufacturing license is the quality cornerstone of Dongpeng. Every process is completed under precise control. Strict process control creates stable product performance. From pneumatic ball valves, butterfly valves, control valves to electric and manual valves, Dongpeng Valve Series covers all your needs for working conditions. Not only valves, but also level, pressure, temperature, flow, and analytical instruments. Dongpeng provides you with a complete automatic control instrumentation solution. Dongpeng's sealing surface precision finishing process is the core of long-term stable shut-off, smooth operation, reliable shut-off. Every action has been repeatedly tested. Genuine materials, visible integrity. Every valve has its own identification mark with craftsmanship hidden in every detail. Dongpeng not only provides products, but also offers full technical tracking service. Whatever your working conditions are, we provide one-on-one customized selection solutions for you. Dongpeng Automation, serving every customer with dedication.